9 now. Welcome back to Wellness Wednesday here on KOB4. Today we're talking about access to mental health services, a very important topic. For more than 1 million people in our state, the biggest obstacle is actually where they live. So we are joined by Christina Udvardy, CEO of All Faiths here in New Mexico. Thanks for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's such an important topic, and it's a really exciting announcement for you guys. A lot of people know All Faiths for your services for children, but now you're expanding them to adults. So let's talk about the expansion.
Yeah, thank you. So All Faiths has been in this community since 1956, so it's almost 70 years, right? And so we always served clients who were mostly children, right, and then their families.
Right.
And now with this expansion, we are adding adult services, veteran services, and SUD services, so substance use disorder services, all to create a space for everybody who needs mental health, behavioral health support in this community and beyond.
Yeah.
To receive those services in an integrated manner.
Absolutely. So how were you able to do this? This is a big undertaking, and expansion is so important right now considering what New Mexicans need.
Yeah, so over 1 million people in New Mexico might need access to mental health, behavioral health, right? And many of them, about a third of them, struggle with access.
Right.
So beyond Albuquerque, where our main service provision is, we can reach people through telehealth across the state. So if anybody needs support, they just need to go to our website at allfaiths.org and figure out how to get in touch with us so that to sign up for services or an assessment.
Wow.
So the expansion came about based on our long-term history in this community, providing behavioral health support, right? And we wanted to expand that to the communities that need more support.
Yeah.
And so this is how this came about.
So, and you made an important point there. That was going to be my next question. It's not just Albuquerque. So how do you plan to serve the entire state? Let's talk a little more about that.
Well, that's a tricky one, right? Because access is, there can be different barriers to access, right? Not just geographic, but also maybe access to telehealth could be challenging. But with these services that we provide, we also provide case management, care coordination. So there might be some barriers to access. People can figure that out, and we would help them with that. So we will try to reach everybody who needs support. We also have our own boundaries, our own number of staff, and we will possibly max that out really quickly. But we will do everything that we can to meet the need that is presenting.
Absolutely, again, so important. And is this happening now, or when is this expansion going to happen?
Well, it has started already,
okay,
right?
Good.
So we have built up staff, the staffing levels, and also expanded the programs again to include not just traditionally served children and families, but also adult clients, substance use disorder clients, veteran services. So really, families, anybody who needs behavioral health support.
Right. And where can people find you, and how can people find you? Online, or you have everything laid out for them?
Well, actually, the easiest way to get in touch with us would be through the allfaiths.org website.
Perfect.
And that would guide then people to our phone number or even to the description of our services.
Perfect. All right. Well, Christina, thank you for being here. Very important topic. We'll have everything on KOB.com.